Well guys, been doing a couple videos lately, actually several videos. One thing it's definitely in need of is additional light. So a buddy of mine sat there and recommended this product here. Again, kind of new to this whole deal. However, I believe this was 30 bucks on Amazon. It actually had sent two. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. Get some filters. Pink, blue, and orange. See adapter. Tripod. Oh, sweet. LED light in there. It's pretty cool. This is USB driven for power. And looks like you have an on off, and the adjustability, I guess, of the light intensity. So let's go ahead and see what we can set up here real quick. So I have no idea how any of this stuff works, by the way. Tripod. All right. Of course, there's no instructions to it, but we'll figure it out. Let's put these down. Just to hold that in, maybe. There's no extension. So how the heck is that supposed to work? Maybe this comes off. Ah, there we go. Sweet. That's what we needed. All right. Well, now we need power. So what are we going to do for power since we don't have any USB outlets in the garage? Whoa. Let's try that again. So I guess we'll just take it over here. Power supply, which we use to charge our batteries. Our speaker, it's probably charging. We got one USB. Guy in. Illuminated, so I guess we do have power. Let's turn it on. Holy smokes, that's pretty bright. Turn it down. Sweet. Let's crank it up. Full power. Not bad. So yeah, just a little extra deal. Okay, so the middle button here is cycles. That's probably not picking up on the, yeah, maybe it is. Let's go with a bright white light. It's pretty intense. Cool. Just a little addition that we need to do. All right. Like I said, I got this on Amazon. I know I did pay more than 40 bucks for it. I'll go ahead and put a link to the description where I purchased it, how much it was. But yeah, hopefully this will be a valuable asset making some additional videos. On that note, it's coffee time. It's waking up, so definitely need that, especially as you get older. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get started. What we're going to be doing today is cleaning up some terminals on the Jeep. Noticed we're having some issues electrically, so we'll get into that.